again there, viewers. Just getting all car packed for another camp. This glorious damp weather. It's 8:15, just gone 8:15 in the morning. Look at that. Damp, drizzling with rain. Absolutely perfect for camping. Wayne's just filling up the water bottles and we get car packed, do the shopping and head into camp. Well, campers, viewers, we've arrived at camp. Very damp in here today. It's going to be like this all day and tomorrow, so it's going to be lovely. There's WW.
Morning.
Now look at the old creek. See how much that water's risen for all the rain we've had. Yeah. Yep, that's running well. Absolutely beautiful, viewers. Alright folks, we've just been back to Wayne's and picked up the camp oven that he's constructed. He bought himself a little MIG welder. She ain't finished yet because we haven't got latches on the doors, but we can bring battery drill down to finish it off down here. What we're going to do today is burn out the firebox chamber and the oven chamber because it's still got oil residue in the barrel. Look at that, folks. We'll be cooking Christmas dinner on that. Absolutely beautiful. Fire up, burn all the paint off the outside, all the oil residue from the inside. She's drawing up through the flea.
Yeah, making smoke.
That's awesome. Got the extension flue on there now, look folks. That's working well.
Logs drying in the oven.
Awesome. Yeah, she's drawn at the back now. Sweet as a nut. Absolutely tipping it with rain. Love it. Just filling the gap there with fire cement.
I think it's too hot.
Because this top bit is going to be filled with concrete up to here, and the same in the bottom of the oven here, filled with concrete, and the same in the bottom of the firebox, so it gives us lots of mass to keep warm. That's it, mate. If it don't fit, fill it with shit.
You know it makes sense.
I'm just leaving a little gap here so all the fumes of the oil can come out, as you can see, which your gas out there. When that's clean out, we can then seal her up, fill her with concrete, and jobs will be well good in there. That's it. Sweet.
Perfect split.
Beautiful, isn't it? Drying up some coal there, folks, that we had in the fire pit from last time. Dry it out the top of the oven there. Well, I picked up some more bulbs when we was in the shop today. Got some snake's head Fertilia, alliums, some white alliums, and some little small ones as well. So I'm going to plant those where they'll be planted. Down over there. So when we sat here, you can see all the bulbs coming up, all down through over there. Should look absolutely lovely in the spring. Lovely bit of rain on top, and we keep getting a little pond here. Sweet. Liam making the tea there. Old young Liam's come down for a camp tonight, viewers. Here he is. Come down on his little moped. Look at that.
Cheers,
Cheers, mate. Lovely. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful cup of tea. WW stuffing his face with.
I'm a growing lad.
What's that?
I'm a growing lad.
Oh,
picking on me.
Yeah, he's always. Yeah, he's. You're a growing. Oh dear. Awesome. There's a bucket of water on there for the washing up later. Some ominous sounds coming from the shelter there, viewers.
On me. Never think.
You?
No.
Oh, I don't know. Good fun. Right folks, so the chicken doesn't get dripped on by the rain when we're cooking, so it's tipping it down out there. We have rigged up the chicken protector.
Chicken protector. An umbrella off the teepee.
Right over the fire. Even the heat's making it
Always
right.
adapt, overcome.
Yeah. That's awesome. Oh, look at that chicken there, folks. Now I've got a tin of full Monty on there. Under the chicken protector. It works really well actually. Keeping it nice and dry there. Absolutely delicious. In this very, very wet woodland. Absolutely beautiful. It's absolutely lovely out here. Not cold at all. I've only got a sweatshirt on. As you can see, Wayne's only got a t-shirt on. It's so warm.
It is mild.
Really mild.
Yummy, yummy.
Well, that's what I've got for a sweet. 4 of those. And 1 of those. The chicken's still cooking. I can nibble on that later. Absolutely delicious. Turn the old one hair up.
Oh, blimey, Nipper.
Pasta and bolognese.
Does it not?
It gets half of it and it stops. Right.
Go on then, mate.
Cheers, viewers. I must say at this time, folks, another big shout out to Les Fee Posen.
Oh yeah.
He
Thank
sent-
you very much, Les.
Thanks, Les. He sent me and Wayne a card each with a £10 Tesco voucher in for some beers and some camp food.
Very
So-
much appreciated, Les. Thank you.
Yeah, very much, mate. That is awesome. Thank you so much for that. That was nice. It said in the card, thanks for all the entertainment and laughs. what we
Stop
get.
messing around in the woods.
So,
2 grown men playing 12-year-old children.
in the woods, yeah, never mind. Anyway.
Yeah.
Cheers, Les.
Cheers, Les. All the best, bud. Thank you.
Cheers, mate. Oh God, no, not snake bites.
Oh, dear, no, those guys.
They gave me the
truly
biggest,
over
nastiest hangover ever. Especially 1080 cider and Stella.
there. Cool, dear. Special brew was my favourite.
One
for that.
pint of that, mate, that is it.
Fighting juice, that was.
Oh, it's awful, awful stuff. Sort of thing you've done though, isn't it, in your early 20s? Try all these things, yeah, have a pint of that, mate, and the next minute you're on your back.
15 when I was drinking that.
God, awful
Yeah,
stuff.
pass us one of those over. Oh no, they're in there. There's a good girl, yeah.
There's a 4-pack.
Yeah, 4 of those will do, mate.
Oh yeah, mate.
Black beauties.
Oh yeah. Alright.
Cheers.
Yeah, chin chin. At least it's not blowing a gale this week, which is nice.
It's just persisting down.
It's persisting down, yeah. That's alright. All the bulbs are in. Loads. Trickle Creek Spring Garden Deer, and that looked lovely in the spring, that will. And the trees to put in as well, to bring down. Go underneath.
How's it to you?
That is Wayne's up here. Stephen is.
Kids mark through.
Yeah. Strapping the mats to the bench so they don't slide off in the night. Instead of the hammock tonight, Liam's got his dad's hammock tonight because Liam's hammock's knackered. Look at that. That'll hold her on, mate. And again. Yeah. Oh, lovely.
Oh, I'm out of tight. That's alright.
Excellent. So, you take that end down as well. This is Pip for the night. Sweet as. Well folks, after all the rain we've had, the creek is really going for it now. There's the steps down to the creek. And all the beach is gone. That's awesome. That's given a good flush through. So we haven't used this water since March, when we found loads and loads of dead eels in the river. This has washed it all out. And when it calms down, I'll get another water test kit and see if it's safe to drink again. We've never been ill off this water, so hopefully it'll be fine. Sweet. There's Liam there, come down to have a look at the river as well. Yeah, she's going good, mate, isn't she?
Yeah, it's going to give it a right good flush for it.
Yeah. Nice one. Alright. Sweet. Back up to camp. Now as you hear, the Triple Creek is running well, and I thought tonight, instead of being in the shelter, I'm going to sit my tarp up right down by the stream. All set up here. And there's the water just there. Lovely sound, running water to send me to sleep later. There we are. Absolutely lovely. That is the sound. I'm going to fall asleep to tonight. Absolutely amazing. natural sounds is what is inbred in us. So relaxing. Through the trees. There's camp up there. There's WW fast asleep, the viewers. Look at that.
Snoring his ass off.
Yeah. Oh, sweet.
Oh, lovely, yeah.
That's funny. Look at that fire, folks. Lovely.
Mine is still washing up, so that's there.
Yeah. Still pissing it down with rain. I mean, tipping down with rain. Snoring is sweet off.
No, he's not.
He's waking up! Oh dear, that was funny. I had to get that. Sorry mate, I had to get that on film.
Snoring. No, he's not.
Snoring his ass
Joint
off over
hanging out,
there.
yeah.
Oh,
Sweet. Well, I'm all safely tucked up in the hammock, folks. Just listen to that ambient, beautiful sounds. Rain and the river. So relaxing. So we'll see you in the morning, folks. Morning viewers, campers. Still raining. There's old WW.
Woke up yet.
can you get out of my face already, please? I want some privacy.
I ain't getting no fucking Jeff 5 with the camera.
So, cups of tea on the go. Well, I booted me first one over. Oh dear. Still half asleep, so yeah. So I've got a cup of coffee now. We're just starting to strike down camp. Not a lot left of the fire. Still got my tarp up down here, so I'm going to take that down in a minute. That's where I was, right by the river. Yes. Well, there we are, folks. All nice and tidy. We've struck camp until the next overnighter. See you soon, viewers.